Arweave is an up-and-coming cryptocurrency based on storing data in a decentralized database. And yesterday it has seen a surge in price, but it has not yet reached its all-time high. So there might be nice opportunities to buy in and ride the next bull run. In the next few minutes I will do a price prediction on where I think the price will go in the upcoming days. So this is purely my opinion and not financial advice, and you should always do your own analysis too. Alright, with having said that, let's get right into this analysis. As you can see, we are on tradingview.com looking at the Arweave against USDT on Binance 4-hour time frame. So basically I will do a price prediction, and I kind of have two scenarios sketched out for the price of Arweave. So let's go with the green scenario first. So first of all, after this bull run it had, small bull run, I think there will be a small pullback. So there was already a small pullback here. I think it will go on to a little bit lower. So I think it will reach this trend line at least. So that would be around the 50 to 52 price area. And there I think it will find support. After which I think it will go through the resistance area of 54 right here. And then bounce off of this 60, 59 again. It might bounce off of the 60, so a little bit higher. After which it will find, I think, support again at the trend line right here. So again, the 55. And then I think it has enough bullish momentum to actually break through the 60 or around the 60 price point key or resistance area. And then there is another strong resistance area from 63 up until 64.5. And it actually might have some difficulties breaking through that as well. So it might bounce off 63.2. But it might also bounce off of the 64.5, somewhere in that area. Then hopefully it will find enough bullish momentum at this key level, which will then function as support, so the 60 psychological key level. And after that I think a really nice bull run could happen, because there's a lot of space after the 64 key or the 64 resistance area. But as you can see in this scenario, the scenario, I do think Arweave is going to get a lot of resistance at first after this small pullback, but looking at it long term and fundamentally, I think there's a lot of bullish momentum and a lot of bullish sentiment on this cryptocurrency. So I definitely think that it has the strength to go through these resistance areas. So that was the first scenario, kind of the best scenario I think for Arweave. Although, yeah, no, I think that's the best scenario. I mean, the price could also break through right now. But then I think it would find resistance here at the 64 again. So I just don't think that is very likely. It could also consolidate a little bit between the 54 and the 60. But again, I don't think that's very likely too. In my opinion, the most likely scenario is that the price now does quite a big pullback. So that's the black path. So even a bigger pullback than the green area, and that it will bounce off of somewhere in this key level. So either 48 or 46. So it's quite a big key level. I think it might definitely bounce off of the 200 EMA right here. So this is the second scenario, which I think is the most likely. Price will do a pullback right now, breaking through these fips. I mean, it might also bounce off of the 0.618 fib. So anywhere between 49 and 46, I think it will find support again, after which there will be in my opinion, a small resistance at this area, where it had a retest yesterday. So a small pullback from 55, 54.2, after which I will think it grabs enough bullish momentum to break through again. And after that, I think it is kind of the same as in the first scenario. So it will find resistance here at the 60 psychological key level. But then eventually I think it will break through. But I think that's the most realistic price prediction, because often when such bull runs happen in one day at a lesser known cryptocurrency, the price actually shoots down a little bit because of people taking profits again, and those kind of things. So somewhere between the 0.618 and 46, so 49 to 46 price area, I think would be the best area to buy from. But that's just my opinion, my price prediction. So do your own analysis as well. And if you just don't want to miss the boat, then the 50 or the 52, 51 price area might be better for you, because I think the price will definitely reach that. And then you are in the cryptocurrency, so there's no potential for FOMO or anything. So yeah, that's basically the price prediction and analysis. Yeah, so if you have any questions about these scenarios or about the analysis in general, or if you have any requests for other cryptocurrencies, please let me know down in the comment section, and I will make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now, thank you for watching and listening, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!